Hello guys, what up? Don't know me, my name is Fadil, and we're back again making Evernote clone part 2. Okay, let's get started. I'm just gonna start my project first. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we're gonna open the client folder. Okay, first you want to start the React app, and then we're gonna install some package. CD, make sure you go to the web folder before installing. Okay, first we want to install the Polo client, and then we want to install GraphQL, of course, then Emotion, CSS, Emotion, React, Emotion, style it, then React outer DOM, and then JWT decode. Just want to install decode our token, and then maybe just this first. Let's I think there's something more. Wait. We want to install this too. Local storage fallback, and then GraphQL for the editor. We're gonna use GraphQL, and then want to install NodeJS for manage the dates, and then maybe just this. Okay, we open the folder. We want to delete these files first. Then we go to the index, and we want to make the client app from Apollo. New client. Okay. We restart this first. Oh, it's not from Apollo client. Apollo client. Okay. Here we're gonna need link. Link it's HTTP. Oh no, I'm gonna make this. We're gonna create with this cons HTTP link create. Oops. HTTP link. Then we create URI. It's the backend local host 4000 GraphQL. Okay, and then we want to include the credentials. Just include Then we put this in here with Apollo link. From this. Here we're gonna need cache, new in-memory cache. Okay, done. We want to import the provider. Put this in here. Oh, Apollo provider. And then put the client in here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna test the login. So we're gonna make the routes first and make the components. Let's say this pages, then login page. X6 and export this using name export, name it exports. Copy this for the sign up page. Save it, and then here let's open, let's make some more. Export home page. Okay, we don't need the import React in React 17, so we're gonna delete this, save it, and then we want to remove this, all of this, remove this. Okay. Okay, turn out we forgot to delete this, and then okay, let's go. And we want to make the routes in here. Want to import the browser route. Import them first. Browser. I think we need the types. Oh yeah. We install this first. Oh. Browser router. Okay, browser router, and switch. To change this to browser router, and then this switch. Then the routes, not router. Key to path of this, the login and sign up. Okay, we gotta test it. Open the browser. Open the localhost. Router isn't defined. component would be login, and then the sign up. Singer, this is Singer, crypto class. Sign up, and then home. Okay, home page, and then login, and then sign up. Okay, we have to go to the login. Okay, make the form first, form, and then the div input placeholder. Want to put this with label. Let's see the UI. Oh. So label would be email. Placeholder. Oh, email. Let's open the original app first. Wait. Let's continue this one first. Place order, and then we copy paste this, then password with the type password. Want to save the value with use state. Email, and then password. Oh, so this is the new UI for the login page of the Evernote app. So we're gonna make this one, but we will use email and password. Okay. Here we're gonna set form. Value would be form email. Okay. So click button. On submit. Oh no, type submit. Okay, this is on submit. Be on submit handler. In here we want to prevent default. This would be what it's called, form event handler. Yes. Form event handler, a type of HTML form element. Okay. Oh yeah, it should be form event. Okay. And then we want to organize. Okay. Want to lock the form, and then we want to make the onChange handler for this. Const onChange handler, the returning function. And then this would be name, string. Then we want to set form name, then target dot value target. This target comes from here. Change event handler, then target. Change event, target. Okay, and then value. Input element, HTML input element. Okay. Okay, we put this in here. On change with the email. The password. This is password, and this is the email. Okay, so how do we request to our backend? Can you use something called GraphQL code chain? So GraphQL code chain is only used in development. So we're gonna install it in development. It's called GraphQL code chain CLI. I think we need to install the types for GraphQL, maybe. Oh no, it's okay. Just gonna wait this. Okay, now we want to type, let's clear, type this GraphQL code chain init. Okay, you want to type with React, you can select it with spacebar, just enter on the React. Then your path, HTTP, localhost 4000, and then GraphQL. Okay, we enter this. We don't need this. TypeScript GraphQL fast mobile condition for. Oh yeah, we select this. And we don't need the other one, the rest of it. Okay, we enter. Yes, in source generated GraphQL TSX. No. Yes. Want to yarn what? Yarn gen. Okay. Okay, it's done. And we will make we will check the code chain.yaml. So this is it. This is the config file. We're gonna make the GraphQL file in here, source, any name folder, and then the any file name .graphql. So we're just gonna make this name GraphQL, and then let's make it login .graphql. Okay, in here you want to copy the query from the playground. So in login, here we copy this. In here, gonna name it login with arguments, email, type of string, and then password, type of string. Put it in here, and put it in here. And we want to generate this into hooks and functions and all of the documents, GraphQL documents, by typing yarn.gen. You see this already updated in here in the package.json. So we're gonna enter this. Oh, there is a fail. Plugin files, validation file. I think we don't need this GraphQL file plugin. We're gonna delete this. Okay, yarn again. Okay, it's done, and it's generated in here. There's all of these from login from our playground. So we're gonna use this in here, like this, cons use login notation. Then here we want to get the submit or login handler or submit login. Then we have to fetch the error if it exists, and then in here want to pass this with variables of form. Okay, we want to console this in here. Error, if there's error, then want to display it in here. Okay, let's check it out. Here, the login page. Okay, we'll try with wrong password. Oops. Oh yeah, we want to wrap that function here with and this is a promise too, so we're gonna put this in here, and then we wrap this in try catch, so it doesn't make the app goes to the error page. We'll put this in error 1. Okay, we'll try it again. Oh, something's wrong. Wait. Okay. Okay. GraphQL error. Is there something wrong? Let me check the. There's no error. Let's see the console log. Oh yes, there's course problem. So we need to update our server here. In index, we want to use this one to update this. In the origin would be HTTP local host 3000. Credentials also set credential. This one is set to true. Okay, we save it. True. Yes. Let's check it out. Okay, restarting. Okay, it's done. Let's check it out here. We'll try to false the let's refresh to try the invalid password. Don't update. Well, there's an error still. I think this would be in here. I think this would be in here. Course would be false. So this to be false. This would be false because this is in GraphQL. Yeah. So we need to check it. Okay. User with that email doesn't exist. Okay. So it works. So let's check it with the correct email. Error password invalid. Okay. Let's alert if it's success. Success. Oh no, it's invalid. The password is wrong. Yes, success. Okay, let's see the storage, and there, it's saved. Okay, we're gonna make some style for here. Okay, what I do is make some components folder, components, and says global style .tsx. And then we want to import from emotion .react. Here we want to set the CSS, and then we want to import global. Here want to export counts global styles, returning the global with styles of styles. We want to make this in here. Cons styles CSS. Here we want to make some generic types, like some generic styles. So we want all of them with padding of 0 and margin of 0. Okay, I'm gonna use Roboto font here. I want the A tag would be text decoration none, and color would be inherit from its parents, and then button would be cursor pointer, and then in all of this we want to set box sizing would be border box, then font family, let's see, Arial Helvetica, and then Roboto, and text rendering would be optimized. One smooth be always, and we make this to be, and we input the WebKit and mouse font WebKit font smoothing anti-aliased and then grayscale for the mouse. Okay, just here this would be applied in the level style. We put this in the index in the app. This in here, here level style. Okay, we port it back to this, and we want to make the global variable. Let's call it generics generic variables. Let's call it primary color, and this is from the Evernote colors. A2 D, and this is the primary color dark. And then to make this border, common border, 1px solid f1. Okay, and then to border, box shadow would be gray. To put this black calm it's 3, oh, then black, no, then color, color black light, or let's just call it gray, color gray. Okay, and we want to make some function that we can use to returning a style, certain styles. Let's call it mixin. Export cons mixins. Got to export this mixins. We want to make some VA, vertical line. Here we want to returning CSS, and we want this to be optional. Display would be flex, and align items would be center, and then justify content. Yeah, this would be create align center. No, it's not center again. We want to put this in here, like justify. Okay, justify content be center. I think we can use the double quote. We want to use this one. Okay, and then it's not center. Okay, this would be like start, and this would be the center. Okay, maybe just this. Let's add some later. Okay, in login, now we want to make the components called layout. So tsx, it's got fg, yeah. Let's import some stylet from emotion stylet. And then here we want to cons layout stylet. This would be div. Transport. This maybe. This would be width 100%, and then height 100 ph. Maybe just this, yeah. No? Oh yeah, just this. Layout, stylet, and use this. we put this in props on children. Props we can call it start any children. Okay, we use this in here in index. We want to in app. We want to wrap all of this inside the layout component. Okay. Okay, layout, and then in login, in every page you want to wrap it another component. It's called wrapper. Spot cons. What cons wrapper? This would be the same. Children. This need the cons wrapper stylet. Div. This would be height following the layout 100%. Width also 100%, and then we want the overflow Y would be hidden. And is it correct? Layout comes okay. This would be children. And we want this to be accepting some option, like is it aligned or not. Here we gonna check the props dot center. Is it true? If it's true, then you want to get the make sense, and PA would be center. Oh yeah, PA would be center, and then this one would be MC props. Oh yeah, props and props like this. Props doesn't exist in type of theme. Yeah, props would be any type of any. To wrap this in here, okay. I want to accept a background too, background color. If props that any props has color or background color, and then we want to set this like this, this would be unset, and this would be perhaps like background, and I want to put this in here, background color. Oops. Okay. Okay, we want to wrap this in plugin here. Oh, no. This one here. Restart the server. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay, let's try to background color. Okay, it works. Okay, and then want to customize this would be center. Would be true. Again, goes to center. We want to check this one. Okay, it has two layout, and then this. Want to wrap this inside box. Okay. So we're gonna make this inside a div. And this is for the form, and this is this for the form, and this is for the image. I'm gonna put some image in here, like placeholder image. Want to wrap the form again. Okay, let's search an image, something like this. The green one. Something. Can use this image. Alt. Screen announce. Login feature. Up. Login. Say login. Okay, and then we want to override the styles in this, so we can select all of these div. So we can make this counts. Login style. kind of div wrapper. I mean, to put it a class left side, and then oh no, this one. This is the container, login container, or just container. Okay. Oh yeah, login container. This is the left side, and this is the right side. I'm gonna style this one first, and then this. Okay. Here it is. Gonna style the container. Container would be display flex, and all of its child would be flex 0.5. We use this in here. Oh no. Yes. Login container. Yes. Should be login container. And then we want to select the left side. The left side of image with 200 pixels. Why is not working? We don't need this to be alright. We want this one. Let's call form wrapper. Let's turn this back to wrapper. Form wrapper would be this one. This should be a div. This we close it. Okay. So we make it like this, and then we want to put some border in here. Border would be from generics border, and then border radius would be 5 pixel, and then let's see. And then we want the padding would be 20 pixel. Let's see. Okay, and then let's change this to 50 pixel. Okay, it's good. And then we want this. We want to style this. Okay. We should select none, so I can select any of it. Let's install this. Input label, password, email. Okay. We don't want label. Okay. We want the gap to be 20 pixel. Okay, there is a gap in here, and then we want the with the center align item center, and then we want to put an image here. Let's get the Evernote logo PNG. Okay, let's use this one. It's too big, I think. This one is big too. No, let's use this for this one. I think this is open PNG. Oh, there's no transparency. Let's use this one. Okay. Okay. Copy link image. Then we want to put it in here. Div image source out would be empty. Let's see. Oh, there's no image in it. Is there something wrong? I think we can use the vector site. Let's find another logo. Let's try this one. Okay, in here, to split this to the right, here go to right side, then the first div first div or div first child image would be width 100 pixel. Okay, and then text align center, and then reduce it to 50, and border radius would be 20 pixel. Okay, not 20 pixel, maybe like 10 pixel. Okay, and then we need to put like h2 never not. Okay, like this one, we want to put styles. Okay, this one, want to put some style for this field. And then the first child, then form div, every div would be margin bottom 10 pixel, then the input border would be from generics border radius border border radius is 10 pixel, then padding would be 10 and 10 pixel. Okay, that is good, and we want this to be margin bottom. Okay. We want to get rid of the outline border. Okay. I think we need this to be to need this. We change the border color alone. Is this okay? I think border radius would fit in 5. Okay, this is the version 1. Okay, we need to up border be gray, and then solid would be 2 pixel solid gray. Okay, like this. Okay, and we want to use the outline. Oh no, outline is none, but we want to change the focus. The border color would be blue, and transition be 0.5s. Okay, there's more, I think. And we want to update the button style. Div button be width 100%, then color would be generics.primary color, because when you type in, there is this it changed its color. Oh, and the flow is it checks the email and username, or username first, then it will okay, let's make that later. Padding would be 10px, 20px. Okay, this is smaller, I think. Should be 11px. Okay, and then the background color is white. Need to lose the border in button, so we update the global styles. Border would be none. Okay, back to the login, and then we copy the border radius from the field. Okay, Okay. So let's try it. Please accept the history from route props. Okay, and then after this we want to push history that push history. I think it's wrong. Should be router props. History, okay. History dot push to this one. Let's check it out. Refresh. The QWERTY. Okay, it's success. So let's try the error message. Whoa. To display the error, so it would be error error.map GraphQL error.map is returning div with message, I think. Okay, here error user with that email doesn't exist. Okay, want to customize this error message. Here in the div with error message, you want to say want the font size would be, we change this. Okay, change this, and we want this to be wrapped inside the small. With trace of error message, and then don't forget the key for the map. Key would be index, then small key error message div with trace of error message, span color direct. Oh, small, yes. Okay. Okay. To get the loading, to wrap this, loading would be loading or dot dot dot. And then we want to disable this if loading. Okay. Okay. Okay, login is success. Okay, login is success. And then we want to make the sign up. Just copy this and then put it in here. Change every login to sign up, and remove the every unused props, every unused imports. Then submit login. We're gonna make the sign up GraphQL. I'm gonna copy from playground. Pretty much the same as this, I think, but it should be sign up, and then we don't expect think, and then we want to yarn kin. Okay, it's done. Then we want to use the sign up mutation. Instead, submit sign up. Here, after the success, we want to push it to the login. Let's make a link in here to say to make a user can go to the login. This is what sign up, so we want to put it in the bottom of form. Like it says link to login. Already has an account. Already have an account. Sign login here. In paragraph. I think this should be inside of form. This would be don't have an account, sign up here. To import it in here. Check it out. Oh, I think the font is too big. Type it in span, and then this to wrap it in span to update the styling here. Don't have an account. This is inside the form. Okay, so So here, P, font size would be like 14 pixel. Okay, 14 pixel or maybe 12. Okay, sign up here. We need some space in here. And this space, sign up here. And then the link would be color generics primary color. Okay, just copy paste this inside of the login. This is kind of repetitive, so we might want to probably refactor later. Sign up should be go to login. Already have an account, login here. I just need space. Okay, this would be like this, okay. Let's say success. Okay, because we don't have the validation from the server, so it's okay. This one is wrong. Output. Find user. Why? With email. I think there is something wrong in here. No. No. Why it says success when the email is empty? Oh, because we already registered this username with email like this. Because we already registered in here back then. Want to add some validation in here, so we can submit if it's empty. Let's continue in the next video. Bye.